To fix laptop not accepting Wi-Fi password, click on Start and open Settings. From the left side, select Network and Internet. Then click on Wi-Fi. Open Manage Known Networks, then find your Wi-Fi network and click on Forget. This removes the saved wireless profile that may contain incorrect or corrupted security information. Now, turn off your Wi-Fi router and unplug its power cable. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in and allow all the router lights to become stable. This refreshes the wireless connection and clear temporary network issues. Next, click the Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar. Select your wireless network carefully and enter the correct Wi-Fi password and click on Connect. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.